Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm so excited to show this product. So it's called Ninja Foodie Pro Pressure Cooker. So you can do so much stuff with this machine. You can see the stuff that you can make. So start off with precision cook control. So they got sear to pressure, non-stir. You can even do cheesecakes, saute onions. So then guilt free. So this I probably will be using. So non-oil, so you can do frozen French fries. You can do breaded fish. The fries, zucchini fries, Brussels sprouts, tots, or you can even do a skillet cookie. So that's pretty cool. So then tender crisp. You can do buffalo wings, ribs, chicken pot pies, stir steak dinner. So you can see everything that it does so far. So that's awesome. Remember, it's a 6.5 quarts. So you can see a little more. It does come with a little rack, and it comes with the glass lid. You can see here it has the wings. So the box shows a lot of stuff. So you can see more stuff down here: yogurt, slow cook, steam, keep warm, pressure, air crisp, bake, roast, broil, or dehydrate. Wow, I even got dehydrate. So you can dehydrate the fruits. Awesome. Has so much stuff. So today I'm gonna get it open, show you how exactly it look, and in the future I will show you how it works. Okay, so let's get it open and let me show you what it looks like. So before I get everything out, what it includes. So you have a 1460 watts Foodie pressure cooker with attachment, crispy lid. You have a family size cooking pot, 6.5 capacity with non-stick coating for easy cleanup. You have a cooking crisp plate, 4.6 quarts, non-stick plate, pressure lid, glass lid, a broil rack, and then this is pretty cool. You have a chef created recipe book, 45 plus recipe and cooking chart. I'm going to show you a little bit about that. So the box open up. So if you look at this point right here, it tells you exactly what to do. Add 3 cups to the pot. So it give you a little instruction there. And you can see up here that it show you the rack, cooking pots, dehydrating racks, crisp pan, and all different other stuff. So let's get it out the box now. Okay, first you have this little book. Inside of here you have basically everything that you need to know about the product. Open it up, tell you exactly how to use the pressure lid, the crisp lid, and then basically tell you if you're cooking those, tell you a little bit about them. Okay, so tell you what not to do. You have your manual. Make sure you check it out before you start. And this is the recipe book. It has everything you need to know on how to cook it. And it gives you meals, gives you everything. Awesome. So let's get it out the box. Okay, get this out. Very well packed. Okay, first thing, let's start. glass lid. Very, very nice. Okay, very nice pack. Okay, so this is your pressure top. Very nice, well built. Look at that. Has the little vents. Very nice. Okay, and let's finish it with the machine itself. Okay, of course you have your outlet. So this is the machine. Sorry, I had to do it in my room, but this is the machine. So you have your regular top. Look at that. Your rack. Very nice, very nice. And this is your machine. And you can see here, it's all your, put this down. Exactly. You start on your timer, your temperature, you got pressure, steam, slow cook, yogurt, saute, and it has everything right here. Dehydrate. So all you have to do is make sure you put the right top and stuff like that. Very nice, well built. So that is about it. That is unboxing this Foodie Pro pressure cooker. And upcoming videos will be using it and telling you how it is. Awesome. Very nice. Okay guys, so if you have the Ninja Foodie Pro pressure cooker, you have it like this. You want to use the other one. This is the air fryer right now, but if you wanted to use the other one, you'll pick this up. So you can see that is the air fryer part. Okay, you'll grab your other top, which is this one, and you have a little thing right there. Okay, once it locks in, you turn it, and there you go. And now you have your other one ready to cook. So now you'll put pressure. Awesome. Very nice. Okay, and you're done. Make sure the pressure is all out. Turn it, pick it up. Awesome.